today. I hope you guys are all doing well. I just wanted to update all you persons on the channel and what it is I'm working on currently. I built this Master Chief theme kind of PC. I did paint it myself and all that good stuff. I'll put the parts list in the description. Some of them actually are older because I got them from a really good friend for a really good price. So I just couldn't pass up on them, and they're still pretty ideal for gaming today. So I went ahead and went with them. I am still messing with Fortnite. I really wish they would implement a feature where you could use mobile graphics on a PC, and it's all over the Reddit forums. People are asking for it, and Epic Games has been so good about making the game accessible across all platforms. It would only make sense that they made the game more accessible to people that maybe can't afford a $1,000 plus PC, it would be so great if they were able to figure that out for us. I'm still playing Counter-Strike, although I did lose my rank because I didn't play for a few months, and that's super duper upsetting because it's such a grind to work your way back up, and I simply just don't have the time for it. So if you see me uploading videos on Counter-Strike and the gold novas or whatever, it's simply because I don't have a rank anymore. But I'll never stop playing Counter-Strike. It's like my all-time favorite FPS shooter. Although Halo is coming to the PC and it's coming to Steam, so I'll probably be uploading videos on that as soon as it comes out. I'm super excited for it. I did try Apex Legends. I was a little unimpressed by it. However, I haven't tried it enough to really give a lot of feedback on it, and I think I should probably give it a fair shake before I come to any conclusions. So yeah, this was just a quick update on what it is I'm doing and what it is I'm doing with the channel, and you guys should expect some videos from me soon.